first is going to be from TEMU. Now, I just want to say that when I first found out about TEMU, I believe it was about last year that I ordered some supply. Yeah, I believe it was last homecoming season. I ordered supplies from them, and everything was really cheap. But now what I notice is everything is not that cheap. So I'm really picky about what I will get on there, due to the fact that you can get it in store for, if not the same price, then sometimes slightly cheaper, and sometimes just like, 50 cents, $1 more. And in that case, I'd rather buy from here. Not even $1 more, but probably like 50 cents. Okay, so from TEMU this time. And I think I got this with, I changed phones, and so it gave me like a new set of deals. So, okay, first thing, let's see. This is, I'll figure out how to open it momentarily. And as always, y'all, I don't have a actual craft specified area or filming area, so this is all just as I can when I can. So I'm sorry about the conditions that I film in. I know there's shadows and things, but well, that's okay. Okay. So, okay, I believe this is 1 yard. And it's super shiny. It's like a rope type thing. Silver and red. It's really pretty. I like it. It is really stiff, so maybe it would actually be good for like some little extra things around the flower. Or if you were gonna make like a bow on something like a, I don't know, some sort of something. No, not a bow. That would look crazy. But you could do, and then if I hang it with maybe some weight on it, maybe it would pull straight. But okay. I got this ribbon. It's a cloth ribbon. Red, black, and white. I believe this is like 5 yards, or could be, let's just see, maybe no, it's not 5 yards. It's gonna be 2 yards. But I believe this was like 60 cents or something like that. So it's just a little bit different texture. It's a nice pattern, I like it. The other side looks really cool. Okay, yeah, sorry, the other side is the back, but this is really nice. I like this one. Let's see. Oh, I got one more set of the ribbon. I believe this one is about it's probably about 1.25 inches across. Or maybe just, yeah, about 1.25 inches. This one is more like 1 inch, could be 7/8. And this one I think is the one with like at least 4 yards or 5. And this was maybe like $1.67. And it's cloth also, but I really like it. Okay, this came. Okay, sorry about that. There was a phone call that came in. So here is kind of like the rickrack trim that I got. It's nice, it's cloth, it's maybe just something different. We could hang trinkets and stuff from this, or use it on one of the braids down the center or something like that. So I like that one. And I was saving the best for last to show y'all. I got this trim. And this is the thing that it gave me, like that, I don't know, it's like a 70% off, something like that. So I was like, ooh, yes. And this is iridescent. Ooh, yes. And you're able to see that it is I'm gonna say 2 inches, 2-inch wide. This is fabulous. I believe it's 10 yards on here. This was the steal of the century. I love it. This is going on my senior mum, so I will definitely make a video and show y'all that. So I'm super happy with all of that stuff. So tell me what y'all think of my TEMU haul in the comments. And all right, we'll see you then. Thanks, guys.